Hello everyone, welcome to Andrew Yang's National Scorecard. This is from a few years ago, but we have updated it with 2020 and 2025 statistics. We've also added housing, the percentage of people living with their parents. We've added steel production, electricity production, car production, and then we've also added child mortality and life expectancy. So we've added 6 different metrics for a total of 16 metrics now for economy, resource, happiness, and health. You can see all of the statistics here. They get zeroed out at 1960 as the baseline. And then this is a log base 2. So if it goes up by 100%, you get a value of 100. If it goes down by 150%, you get a value of minus 100. If it goes up by 4, you get a value of 200. So for example, we go to our electricity production here. This went up by 4. So we have a value of 200. And then also, for example, obesity goes from 10 to 40. That's a value of 4. Increases by 4, you get a value of 200. Does that make sense? And then you can change the strength and turn them off here. So this changes the strength. See, it doubles the strength, turns it off. Very straightforward stuff. You can do that with all of your metrics. Here's all of the metrics seen individually. This is kind of a chaotic chart. Don't worry about it. Then we have our averages for economy, resources, happiness, and health. And then we take the averages of the averages, and that gets us our final number. So this is a cleaned up chart. Right here, this chart's cleaned up. Very easy to read compared to the one above. And then this is the last one. This is the final chart right here. So if you zoom out, whoa, I zoomed out way too far, but this is all of our data. This is our input data on the right. So just so you can show your work right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Andrew Yang's National Scorecard. I hope you liked it. Just to talk about the data a little bit, we have things like obesity, which is at the bottom here. This is electricity production, which is very strong. Boosts the whole numbers, the whole averages. This is child mortality, which also boosts the averages for health. Health was actually the worst before we added child mortality. That really helped a lot. Economy takes a big hit around the year 2000 to 2010. And resources takes a hit also in 2010 due to steel production and car production. Both kind of fell off a cliff. The money multiplier also crashes in 2010. So that's where you get this metric, this figure. Anyway, I don't want to keep you any longer. I'll have the video, or not the video, I'll have the file in the video description. And remember, a single new GDP metric is more powerful than 1,000 false forecasts.